Warning! The last 3 steps in this video are only for cheaters. If you are not a cheater, then do not listen to the last 3 steps. You have been warned. Hey guys, Alex here. And you just saw that warning part, and I'm going to tell you what it means. I don't know about you people, but I love laser tag. It's like really fun. I haven't gone to it in a while. I don't know why. But this video, I'm going to tell you how to win at laser tag. Okay. This right here, this is camouflage. This is really what you want to need when playing laser tag. By this thing right here, I'm talking you need to wear all black. I'm talking black pants, black shirt that's long sleeve, black gloves, black hat, unless your hair is already black, and black socks, even black underwear. I'm just kidding on the underwear part. But I'd so do the underwear part. So yeah, if anyone calls you a dweeb or anything, and that you're boring and you're not wearing any colors, don't say anything. Don't give away your cheating. No, not cheating. Your camouflage. Don't know why I just said cheating there. But let's move on to the next step. Okay, guys, this next tip is about names. I got this idea from James from The Odd Ones Out. So shout out to him. And subscribe to him. He's awesome. Notice me, James. Notice me. Notice me. Anyway, the name you want to go with is a girl. I know it's pretty stupid, but yeah, it's even funny if you're a boy and you go by that name. So yeah, I saw James's video on the laser tag and I loved it. That's how I got an idea on tips and tricks for laser tag. So when you shoot someone, it would say a girl shot you, and it would be pretty hard to keep a straight face. When an almost adult man screams from the other side, "I'm gonna kill you, girl!" I know, it's funny. So yeah, nice job, James, on making that video. And notice me! Notice me! Okay. Now for the final 3 steps. Remember, these are cheating ones, so if you're not a cheater, exit the video right now. Right here, these are black tape and strobe lights. I also got this from James's video. That's how I got an idea to make this video on tips and tricks. You gotta place black tape over your sensors so no one can see them. And the strobe lights are so no one can actually see the tape on your sensors, which is actually really good. People would just be shooting at a glowing ball. And the next step is when the person is repeating the rules like, "I will not run, jump, or climb," and everyone else goes, "I will not run, jump, or climb." You just want to move your mouth to make it look like you're saying it. Because you got to be ready to start running, jumping, and or climbing. Oh, and another tip, I forgot to say this before the final 3, but here it goes. Here's the final tip. You want to get up to one of the high towers to get a vantage point. And there it is. All my tips on how to win at laser tag. Thank you for watching, but I'm not going to end the video there. Let's do something else. I don't know what to do, so let's just do this instead. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my awesome channel. It's super awesome. You guys subscribe. It's awesome. Subscribe, please.